And welcome back to my channel. This is where you're going to come to learn easy ways you can make money from home. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is 5 work from home ideas and how I am able to personally make $10K a week. No experience is needed. Number 1, selling ebooks. And this one is crazy because you don't even have to write the ebooks. There's something called PLR, or private label rights, which gives you the rights to content that you can sell online that's already done. You don't have to be able to make an ebook to do it. Just go to www.idplr.com, get a membership for their site. It's lifetime $99, and you can pick out videos, ebooks, PDFs, emails, blog posts, all sorts of things, and use them to make money from home. Number 2, cashback apps. And this is something that is really easy to do. You can take a look at websites like Ibotta, sign up for them from home, and begin to get cash back for money that you're already going to be spending anyway. That is super easy. I don't know about you. I like to spend money. I spend a lot of money in my household. I love getting that cash back. Number 3, resell low cost or free junk from places like the Goodwill or Craigslist. If you go take a look at Craigslist and look at some of the categories, you'll see that people are giving away free junk. And all that stuff is not really junk. They always say another man's trash is another man's treasure. And this is absolutely the case here. You can pick up gently used items, sometimes items that have not been used at all, from this free section of the Craigslist website. And then take some pictures, write your descriptions out, and be ready to answer some questions and post it on places like Facebook Marketplace, or you can even place it right back on Craigslist to be seen again. Number 4, create a writing agency. So this is actually something that is called services arbitrage. But we're using this with writing instead. Specifically, there's different niches that you can use. You can write resumes, you can write blog posts, you can write email copy, all sorts of different things. And again, you can buy those low and sell those high. One of the good things about this category, though, is a lot of times you'll get repeat customers. So you're not going to have to continuously find new customers for your business, and you'll see your business scale in no time. I created a whole video about how to easily start your own writing agency from home and scale it to 6 figures within a year. Go ahead and click the link and watch that now. And number 5, resale services on Fiverr. There are a lot of services that are offered on Fiverr. There are a lot of contractors that are there offering different things like graphic design, blog post writing, even designing ebooks. And that's something you can offer as a service to your audience. Reach out to your audience, or reach out to the people who are closest to you, and see what type of service they need. Or in the era of online businesses, there's always somebody needing something, and all you have to do is create a great customer experience and also make it easy for people to buy, and they will pay you for that service every time. Then you can just go back to Fiverr and find somebody to do it. Buy low, sell high, tack your own premium onto it, and then sell it back to your audience. All right, so mamas, leave a comment below and let me know which one of these you will try.